Good morning, students. Let us continue the linear differential equation of first order and first degree differential equation problems. We have started exercise 8E, in which we have covered 1 and 2 Romans as well in the previous video, and the third Roman 2 problems we have covered, and this is the third problem. So, and I'm telling you, the linear differential equation can be one of these two forms, dy by dx plus py equals to q, where p comma q are in terms of x, p comma q are in terms of x, that is they are either constants or functions, continuous functions of the independent variable x. So therefore integral factor is e power integral p dx, and general solution is y into integral factor is equals to integral of q into integral factor into dx, or it can be of this form also, dx by dy plus px equals to q, where p comma q are in terms of y. So integral factor is e power integral p dy, and the general solution is x into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into dy. So this is what we have discussed. So based on this, the next problem is x log x into dy by dx plus y equals to 2 log x. First of all, this is not in a regular linear differential equation type. So here dy by dx quotient should be 1. Here dy by dx quotient is other than 1, which is x log x, for which let us divide the entire equation with the x log x. Then we'll get dy by dx. So dividing by x log x on both sides, then we'll get x log x by x log x gets cancelled, dy by dx plus y by x log x is equals to 2 log x by x log x. So log x gets cancelled here. So this is of the form, this is of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q, where p is equals to 1 by x log x, 1 by x log x, and q is equals to 2 by x. So the integral factor is e power integral. So this is of the first form, dy by dx plus py equals to q. The integral factor is e power integral p dx. So p dx. So e power integral p is 1 by x log x dx. So e power integral. So I will take log x to be t. Let log x is equals to t I will take. Then so 1 by x dx is equals to dt. Then so this is 1 by x dx. See, 1 by x dx is dt by log x is t. So e power, it is of the form integral 1 by t dt, log mod t. So log modulus of t. What is t here? Log x. So e power log gets cancelled. We are left with log x. So this log x is the integral factor. And what is the general solution? The general solution is y into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into dx. So this is equals to, the general solution is y into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into dx. So this is equals to y into integral factor here is log x is equals to integral q is 2 by x, integral factor is log x dx. So let log x is equals to t, then this is 1 by x dx equals to dt. This is equals to 2 into, this is 2, I am separating from the process of integration. Log x is supposed to be t, therefore in the place of log x, t I have written, and we are left with 1 by x dx, 1 by x dx, which is dt. So 2 into integral t dt is, this is t power 1 dt. Integral x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. This is t square by 2 plus constant of integration c. 2 gets cancelled. Therefore we are left with y log x is equals to, what is t here? T is log x whole square plus constant of integration c is the required solution. X plus y plus 1 dy by dx equals to 1. So this can be written as dy by dx is equals to 1 by x plus y plus 1. So here the process stopped with this particular step itself. We cannot do anything. So therefore let us reciprocate it to proceed further. So dx by dy equals to x plus y plus 1. Now this is equals to dx by dy minus x is equals to y plus 1. This is equals to dx by dy plus minus x can be written as plus minus 1 into x is equals to y plus 1. So this is of which form? The second form. What is the second form? Dx by dy plus px equals to q, where p comma q are either constants or functions of the independent variable y. So the integral factor here is e power integral p dy, and general solution is x into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into dy. So this here p is equals to minus 1, q is equals to y plus 1. Now integral factor is equals to e power integral p dy. So e power integral, the value of p is minus 1 dy. So e power minus integral 1 dy is y. So this is our integral factor. Now the general solution is x into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into dy. So x into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into dy. So this is equals to x into integral factor is e power minus y is equals to q into, so q is y plus 1 into e power minus y dy. So this is equals to, so this is y, this is product of two functions. This is exponential function and this is algebraic function. Whenever product of two functions, the integrand is product of two functions, then we have to choose by parts. So here first function into integral of second function dy minus integral of d by dy of first function into integral of second function dy whole dy. This is equals to y plus 1 integral e power minus y is minus e power minus y minus d by dy of y plus 1 is d by dy of y is 1 plus d by dy of 1 is constant 0. So 1 plus 0 is, this is totally 1. Integral e power minus y. Let us suppose this minus y to be y only. Integral e power y is e power y itself. Therefore e power minus y into, since minus y is treated to be y, d by dy of minus y, which is minus 1 into dy. This is equals to minus of y plus 1 into e power minus y minus into minus plus 1 into e power minus y is e power minus y. Integral e power minus y is minus e power minus y again plus constant of integration c. This is equals to x into e power minus y. This is equals to, take minus e power minus y as common in both of them. Then y plus 1, its quotient 1. So y plus 2 is equals to c. X into e power minus y equals to. So this is equals to, let us divide the entire equation with the e power minus y. Otherwise, you may also understand as, so e power minus y you transpose onto another side, it will be dividing with this term as well as this term. So therefore, x is equals to minus e power minus y by e power minus y gets cancelled. So y plus 2 plus c by e power minus y. 1 by e power minus y is e power y is the required solution. X into x minus 1 dy by dx minus y is equals to x cube into x minus 1 whole cube. The first and foremost step we have to do is dividing this with the coefficient of dy by dx to make the coefficient of dy by dx to 1. So dividing by x into x minus 1 on both sides, this is equals to dy by dx minus y into x minus 1 is equals to x cube into x minus 1 whole cube by x into x minus 1. So this is equals to dy by dx plus minus 1 by x into x minus 1 into y is equals to x cube by x is x square, x minus 1 whole cube by x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole square. This is x square into x minus 1 whole square. So this is of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q, which is the type 1 first category. So here p is equals to minus 1 by x into x minus 1, and q is equals to x square into x minus 1 whole square. So therefore integral factor is equals to e power integral p dx, e power integral, so minus 1 by x into x minus 1 dx. Now, so this is this is a proper fraction. First of all, this is of the form f of x by g of x, where the degree of f of x is 0 and degree of g of x, degree means the power or exponent of this x is x square here. Here 1 can be written as x power 0. So degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. Therefore this is a proper fraction. For proper fraction we can use the partial fractions. So consider 1 by x into x minus 1. So this can be written as a by x, because here the denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. So there are two non-repeated linear factors. Two constants are to be taken. So a by x plus b by x minus 1. So this is equals to on finding the LCM, a into x minus 1 plus b into x by x into x minus 1. So x into x minus 1 gets cancelled on both the sides. Therefore we are left with 1 equals to a into x minus 1 plus b into x. So here x comma x minus 1 are linear factors. So equate x equals to 0, then one of the two constants a and b we will be getting, and to obtain the another constant, since x minus 1 is also a linear factor, equate it to 0, x equals to 1, and x equals to 1 is the root or solution, and so root or solution has to satisfy the equation. So in this way we will obtain the second constant also. So put x equals to 0, I will substitute. So this is equals to 1 equals to b into 0 is 0 this. So a into 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So with this a equals to minus 1 we get. Now put x equals to 1. So this is equals to 1 is equals to a into 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 into something 0. So b into 1. So therefore b equals to 1 we get. Therefore 1 by x into x minus 1 is equals to, the value of a is minus 1 by x plus the value of b is 1 by x minus 1. So now minus 1 by x into x minus 1 is equals to, simply because this is 1 by x into x minus 1. So here minus 1 by x into x minus 1 is what we have to get. So therefore if I take minus here, then minus into minus plus, so minus into plus minus 1 by x minus 1. Now e power integral minus 1 by x into x minus 1 dx is equals to e power integral 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole dx. So this is equals to e power integral 1 by x dx is log mod x minus integral 1 by x minus 1 dx is log mod x minus 1. So log a minus log b is log a by b. So log x by x minus 1. So this is equals to simply x by x minus 1. Since e power log f of x is nothing but f of x only. Now this is our integral factor. Now the general solution is equals to y into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into dx. So y into integral factor is x by x minus 1 is equals to q is x square into x minus 1 whole square into integral factor is x by x minus 1 dx. So this as well as this gets cancelled. This is equals to x square into x cube into x power 4 minus x square into 1 x square into x cube dx. This is equals to integral x power 4 dx is x power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 x power 5 by 5 minus this is x power 4 by 4 plus constant of integration c is equals to xy by x minus 1 is the required solution. X plus 2y cube into dy by dx equals to y. So this is equals to dy by dx is equals to y by x plus 2y cube. But we cannot proceed any further from here onwards. So dy by dx is not seem to be worked out, for which let us reciprocate it. Dx by dy equals to x plus 2y cube by y. This is equals to dx by dy. This is x by y plus 2y cube by y. So 2y square. This is equals to dx by dy minus x by y equals to 2y square. So this is equals to dx by dy plus minus 1 by y into x is equals to 2y square. So now this is of the form dx by dy plus px equals to q type 2, where p comma q should be in terms of y. So obviously this is p and q are in terms of minus 1 by y and q is equals to 2y square. Now the integral factor is e power integral p dy. So e power integral p value is minus 1 by y dy. So this is equals to e power minus integral 1 by y dy is log y. So minus log y can be written as log y power minus 1, because minus log y can be written as minus 1 into log y. So m log a is log a to the power of m, so which is minus 1. So this is y power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by y. Now the general solution is x into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into, so here q is in terms of y, integral factor is also in terms of y, obviously this is dy. So this is equals to x into integral factor is 1 by y is equals to q is 2y square into integral factor is 1 by y dy. So this and this gets cancelled. So this is 2 integral y dy. So 2 into integral y dy is y square by 2 plus constant of integration c. This is equals to x by y equals to. So therefore x by y equals to y square plus c is the required solution. Or x is equals to transpose this y onto another side. This is y into y square plus c is the required solution. 1 minus x square times dy by dx plus 2xy equals to x into root of 1 minus x square. We know what to do in the first step. The coefficient of dy by dx is 1 minus x square. Let us divide the entire equation with 1 minus x square. So dividing by 1 minus x square throughout the equation. So this is equals to dy by dx plus 2x by 1 minus x square into y is equals to x into root 1 minus x square by 1 minus x square. So it will be root 1 minus x square times, because letter this and this are seem to be same. Root 2 by 2, 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 gets cancelled, we are left with the root 2. So root 1 minus x square. So this is on the form dy by dx plus py equals to q, where p equals to 2x by 1 minus x square and q is equals to x by root of 1 minus x square. Now the integral factor is e power integral p dx. E power integral, the value of p is 2x by 1 minus x square dx. E power integral. Now 1 minus x square derivative is minus 2x, but here 2x is there. Let us write 2x to be minus of minus by 1 minus x square dx. 2x is written as minus of minus without loss of generality. So e power minus. Now 1 minus x square derivative is minus 2x. This is f dash x by f of x, log f of x. So log f of x is this 1 minus x square. Otherwise you may even take let 1 minus x square equals to t or t. So this is minus 2x dx equals to dt. So therefore this minus 2x dx is dt. Therefore this is dt by 1 minus x square is t. 1 by t dt is log t. Log t value is 1 minus x square. Say. Now this is equals to e power minus log 1 minus x square can be written as e power log 1 minus x square whole power minus 1. So e power log gets cancelled. 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 is 1 by 1 minus x square. So this is the integral factor. And now general solution is y into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into dx. So y into integral factor is 1 by 1 minus x square is equals to integral q is x by root of 1 minus x square into this is 1 minus x square dx. So x by 1 minus x square and a root can be written as 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. This is whole power 1. Bases are equal, exponents are to be added. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So this is 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Now, so 1 minus x square derivative is how much? Minus 2x. So therefore I will multiply minus 2 and divide also. Minus into minus is plus. So 2 by 2. Therefore x only we are getting. Dx by 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. Now 1 minus x square derivative is minus 2x dx. So this is f dash x by f of x whole power 3 by 2. Otherwise we can write it as 1 minus x square is equals to t minus 2x dx is equals to dt. So minus 1 by 2, this is dt by this is t power 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, 1 by t power 3 by 2 can be written as t power minus 3 by 2 dt. So minus 1 by 2, t power minus 3 by 2 can be written as t power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So t power minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by 2 by this is minus 1 by 2. So this is how much? T power minus 1 by 2 by this is minus 1 by 2. So this minus 1 by 2, this minus 1 by 2 gets cancelled plus constant of integration c. Therefore this is equals to y by 1 minus x square is equals to t power minus 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by t power 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 is root t. So this is 1 by root t. So root t is how much? 1 minus x square plus c. Therefore, if you even divide this, so y is equals to multiply with 1 minus x square on both the sides, then we'll get y is equals to 1 minus x square by root 1 minus x square is root 1 minus x square plus c into 1 minus x square. I just multiply with 1 minus x square on both the sides. 1 minus x square by 1 minus x square, we get 1. So 1 minus x square by root 1 minus x square. So root 1 minus x square times plus c into 1 minus x square is the required solution. X into x minus 1 dy by dx minus x minus 2 times y equals to x cube into 2x minus 1. So let us divide by x into x minus 1 will get dividing by x into x minus 1 throughout the equation. Then we'll get dy by dx minus x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 into y is equals to x cube into 2x minus 1 by x into x minus 1. So x square times this is equals to dy by dx plus minus of x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 is equals to x square into 2x minus 1 by x minus 1. So this is into y we forgot, into y is equals to. Now this is clearly of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q, where p comma q should be in terms of x. Yes, we got in terms of x only. So p is equals to minus of x minus 2 by x into x minus 1, q equals to x square into 2x minus 1 by x minus 1. Now integral factor is equals to e power integral p dx. E power integral p value is minus of x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 dx. Let us consider this. This is a rational fraction and this is a proper fraction. So let us consider this. Consider x minus 2 by x into x minus 1. This is equals to a by x plus b by x minus 1. This is equals to x minus 2 is equals to a into x minus 1 plus b into x. Let us take x equals to 0 and x equals to 1 because these are the roots. Since x and x minus 1 are the factors, make it to 0, x equals to 1 is the root. So let us take x equals to 0 and x equals to 1. Put x equals to 0 will get 0 minus 2. We get minus 2 is equals to a into 0 minus 1. This is minus 1. So minus gets cancelled. We get a equals to 2. Now substituting x equals to 1, we get 1 minus 2 is minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 0. So b into 1. So b. So therefore b is equals to, this is minus 1. Therefore x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 is equals to, the value of a is 2. So 2 by x, b value is minus 1 by x minus 1. So this is equals to, integral factor is equals to e power integral. So minus of x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 dx is equals to e power minus of, this x minus 2 by x into x minus 1 value is this, 2 by x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole dx. This is equals to e power minus 2 into integral 1 by x. This is 2 into integral 1 by x dx minus integral 1 by x minus 1 dx. So e power minus 2 into integral 1 by x dx is log mod x minus integral 1 by x minus 1 dx is log x minus 1. This is equals to e power, let us multiply this minus inside, then minus into minus plus, so log x minus 1. So this is minus 2 log x. Minus 2 log x is log x square. 2 log x. M log a is log a to the power of m. This 2 goes to the power. So e power log a minus log b. Log a by b. So this is log x minus 1 by x square. So this is equals to x minus 1 by x square is the integral factor. Now the general solution is y into integral factor is equals to integral q into integral factor into dx. So this is equals to y into integral factor is x minus 1 by x square is equals to q value we got earlier to be x square into 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 into integral factor is x minus 1 by x square into dx. this x minus 1 gets cancelled, x square gets cancelled. So this is 2 into integral x dx minus integral 1 dx. This is equals to 2 integral x dx is x square by 2 minus integral 1 dx is x plus constant of integration c. This 2 gets cancelled. This is y into x minus 1 by x square. Therefore, x minus 1 into y is equals to, this is x square into, this is x square minus x plus c is the required solution.